What's good, Diara Family?
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
We are back today with another challenge. As you guys can see here, we are in a moving truck. Tara and I have a crazy challenge. So basically, in a moving truck, we're both gonna be doing two challenges. First challenge is we're gonna paint. We're gonna try to paint a picture of our beautiful, lovely Layla over here, precious Layla. We're both gonna do that. And then our second challenge, we're gonna try to decorate a cake in a moving truck. But before we begin, I want you guys, if you haven't, to smash that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you guys do not miss any of our future content.
One thing that Ush actually forgot to mention is that one of the rounds, which is the painting, will be blindfolded. Before we get started, we are going to do a coin toss.
A coin toss. We're gonna do a coin toss, guys.
A coin toss.
Little flip around. Yeah, so we're gonna do a coin toss. Coin toss.
To see who goes first.
Add that to the dictionary, coin toss.
Ready?
What did you choose?
Heads.
Okay.
I'll choose for heads.
Tails.
Oh yeah. Well, you have no choice.
I hope we get heads. Oh.
Heads.
Oh, you get to go first.
Yes, I want to. I just want to get it over with.
Good luck.
Woo! Guys, what am I doing? Okay, so before we get started with this crazy adventure, I need to let you guys in on a little something. Do not try this at home. Okay, let's go.
All right, we are starting. All right, let's do this.
What did I do? What did I do? Why did I do myself do this? Okay, so here's my picture, my paint. Oh my god, Okay, so here comes all the paint. All the
Okay, the paint, all our paint fall again.
Oh my god. Okay, and your body.
Okay, don't do it.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I lost all the paint.
Okay, the paint. She's all over the place.
Okay, so I think
No.
I can only...
Yo, she's like give me a lesson that way. Yo, we can't do this. You got 2 minutes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
2 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
Why did I do that?
No, she keep going. Don't let her. She's falling. Oh no, she's fainting again. No, we can't let her. No, there we go. Now she's falling. Oh, you got 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh my god. Okay. This is hilarious. Oh, okay. 10 seconds.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I think I did pretty good, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
Whoa, what happened over here?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
So what's going on here?
Okay. So that's my baby. Those are her eyes.
Yeah.
Smile.
We'll see for Judge Layla at the end what's gonna happen. All right, so it is my turn now, guys. I am shook, I am afraid, but I have my trusty helmet. I'm gonna put on my blindfold now. I'm gonna draw my beautiful daughter. And let's get her done. All right.
So I survived to tell a tale, guys. It is okay. I was gonna say it's a lot harder than it looks. I'm sure it definitely looks hard, but I did it. I was feeling a little nauseous towards the end, so I was happy to be finished and out of the truck. So let's go. Let's give a
The floor's a bit slippery because she has paint all over it. So it's not as... Okay, I'm starting. Oh man, it already... it's already... Oh, where's the freaking canvas? Okay, alright, Layla, I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Canvas! Where's the canvas?
David, that looks good on you.
Where's the canvas? No! No!
Oh, he lost his canvas, guys.
2 minutes left.
Okay, I got this. Okay, her pink dress, her beautiful oh,
Beautiful.
great.
Nothing.
Where's my paintbrush?
No, actually 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute.
I need my paintbrush. I got it. Where's the table? Where's the paint?
Look in front of you.
Oh man.
Move up forward.
Oh. I found something. I found paint, guys. Oh. Oh. Where's my canvas?
10 seconds left.
Where's the
5,
canvas?
4,
You guys, where is it?
3, 2, 1.
I think we stopped.
Oh, look at, I got.
Okay, let's go see.
Oh. Are we done?
Yeah, but so you can take off your blindfold.
Holy moly! Do you guys see this? Oh no.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my vanilla pound cake, pre-made, and open up my icing. Keep that. Don't fall. Don't go. Don't go anywhere. Come on. Okay. Nice. I'm losing my ingredients. Nothing. Wasting too much time.
Right.
So last round, guys. Honestly, for me to say that what I'm about to say right now is a complete understatement. This was such a bad idea. Like, I feel so nauseous from like movement and it was a bad idea. One.
All right.
Let's go.
Oh man, I gotta make orange. I got food coloring. It already fell. Okay. Just going easy on me. No. I'm gonna make this. No.
Do what's wrong with it. Sit on the ground.
No, that's too.
I think you have the good position.
No. Yeah. I wedged myself. No, my sprinkles. No. Where's my stuff? Oh!
Oh my god. Yeah. What's your
Very fine with the head. I'm trying to get him to go on the other side of the track. Stop rushing.
I got this! I got one! Oh! No! Oh, my cake's alive!
Get in his cake, bro.
Come on, sprinkles! I can't open my cake! Oh!
15 seconds.
No! I got bumped!
15.
Woohoo!
10 seconds.
Huh?
10,
No!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can't stop the grape. You can't stop the grape. You can't stop the grape. We are back, guys.
Finally.
I'm broken. I mean, I was getting tossed and turned inside a giant, like, moving truck. You know what I mean? How do you feel anyways?
Honestly, I'm still really dizzy, but I did.
We did it.
I won.
We do it.
Yay.
What do you mean you don't know? Of course you know why. We do it for the Diara family because we want to bring them.
catch that, huh? I just said that I won. Anyway.
No, you didn't.
Cut.
Okay, so on to the judging. Behind them, we've got
We have...
my famous, beautiful picture of my beautiful daughter. And then there's Tara's, I don't even know what that is.
Why did your voice just change?
I don't know what that is.
Really?
Yeah. All right.
This is your beautiful daughter?
Yeah, it's such a good painting.
Well, here I could see a body, the body lining.
Exactly.
I don't know where my body starts and ends.
I mean, I can show you. The head,
Okay.
arm, the dress.
Oh, I can kind of see it.
You're swimming in water.
I can
It's simple.
see it.
What do you think? Who won?
So I think the winner here is Mama.
Oh my gosh, that's a scam. You guys are, yo, do you guys see this? Come on, Diara fam, you guys gotta support me. They're like sitting there and like teaming up on me. This is like straight team ups. I don't know what's going
I
on.
can see my body here.
Whatever, I know for a fact that I got the next one on lock. Okay, so fine, let's do the next one then.
Last but not least, that actually, I don't even know actually. It's very colorful.
Of course.
Love that.
They're so good. They're so good. Let's do it.
Oh, mine got smudged.
All right, guys. So I got Tara's, and then there's mine. All right, Layla, you be the judge. All right, come on, taste test 101 here. Let's see.
It's very plain on it. Yeah, exactly. Take another bite.
Listen, you, okay? You can't try it. What do you? Yo, it's gonna taste good throughout the whole
She
thing.
took a bite of the corner that had like nothing.
Whatever, we'll see. Okay, here you go. Here's the best one. Yo.
Yeah,
Oh. She's so serious. Oh.
Crunchy.
Mmm.
Hard on the teeth.
Candy.
Oh, hard on the teeth.
Listen, you, okay? Like, what are you
Like
trying to?
that. Who is the winner? Who wins?
So, Baba's is kind of plain.
Okay.
Mama's is pretty good.
All right.
But I think, like, towards the taste side, Baba's wins.
She just said that
Yay!
yours was plain.
But mine tastes better, is what she said.
How?
I win. I won that one. So what is that?
Okay, that's a tie.
Tiebreaker?
Oh my god, I had something good planned for you.
That's
You
fine.
lost?
That's okay. You know what? I had something planned good for her too. But unfortunately, we had a tie. But that's okay because next challenge, I'm gonna get you. We ended up tying this one. Next one is just gonna make it that much crazier and that much harder and that much more challenging. You guys know how it is and you know that we have to continue to bring you this content. So that brings us towards our end of our video and we've got to do our shout outs. So our shout out today goes to the Lone Polar. Thank you so much for your support. You've been there for a very long time. If you're looking for a shout out, drop a like, drop a subscribe, smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Let us know in the comments and we'll give you a shout out. Much love. Peace.